Today we got the pleasure to speak to a young group of students from Owensboro Technical and Community College about Owensboro Insulators, about the products and services that we offer to homeowners and builders to help their buildings be more comfortable and energy efficient. We also had the opportunity to do a hands-on demonstration with our spray foam material on a building, an outbuilding that they had built in the carpentry department. The students got to go out and actually see this be performed on this building. More importantly, we got to speak to these young students about the opportunities that there are in the trade industry. There is an enormous need for people in the industry right now, whether that be electrical, HVAC, insulators, carpenters. A four-year degree, while it is needed for some careers, that's not your only path that you have. There are paths that go into the trade industry where you get to use your hands every day, you get to see the products that you build at the end of the day. It is an opportunity to come right out of high school into a career where the sky's the limit. Whether you want to be an installer, whether you want to own your own company one day, the chances of entrepreneurship are much higher in the trade industry than what they are other industries. One thing we pride ourselves in here at Owensboro Insulators, when we go out to the home, we want to inform the customer so that they can make great decisions. We also want to educate the community. We've had the opportunity in the past to do some educational talks with Habitat for Humanity, with realtors here in town. Now we have this young group of students, which are going to be the next generation that are going to be in the workforce. If you would like us to come out and talk to you, your team, or the group of individuals that you represent about insulation, about how it can help you be more energy efficient and more comfortable, or just the trade industry in general, we would love to do a demonstration or just give a talk. Give us a call. We'd love to see you.